Best cycling gadgets for 2021. Do I really need all this stuff to ride? The short answer is no. To have a good time, all you need is a bicycle and some place to ride it. All things considered as you go gaga for cycling and apparently ride all the more frequently, you'll presumably experience circumstances like a broken tire, blasting hot day, or the need for a bite, where the proper adornment will show support. So consider what sort of riding you'll do and what kind of deterrents or openings may emerge along the course. How we chose these products? Well, we fundamentally went out to shop for ourselves. Bicycling stuff, tried or suggested everything on this rundown depended on close to home insight and lists of things to get. We contemplated a mix of client audits, insights with the brands, and generally failed to make an intensive assessment. These are the extras we prescribe to improve your riding experience. Birria Plaza Basket. A handlebar mounted crate is a speedy and simple approach to extend the conveying limit of your bicycle, despite the fact that joining it is regularly a genuine annoyance. Yet, a fast delivery mount, as on the Plaza, saves you the migraine of fighting each one of those little pieces into place while as yet bearing the cost of alternative to take a ride sans container. Also, in case you're shopping, the joint handle permits you to accumulate your merchandise as you proceed to avoid the expendable sack toward the end. This lightweight plastic container arrives in a variety of splendid and quieted colors. The Pioneer Yao Bell. This smooth, straightforward ringer gives you an amiable and guided route toward clear the path so you can journey on. It has a reasonable, noisy ring, however it's little and conservative enough that it will not hold you up or meddle with your handlebar arrangement. The ringer is likewise simple and instinctive to mount, and Spurcycle guarantees a lifetime guarantee, so you don't need to stress over the parts wearing out. Simply be cautioned, the plan is viable just within 22.2mm handlebars, which incorporates numerous mountain and suburbanate bicycles, yet not trap wires. For the mobile wine rack, it's the OopSmart Bicycle Wine Rack. We as a whole realize wine bottles are too huge to fit in a jug confine, regardless of the amount we attempt. This carefully assembled Go-Hide Bike Wine Rack tackles that issue. It effectively appends to the top container of most edges. The top cylinder should be in any event as long as the jug you need to convey. Have confidence, the antique metal clasps are only for looks. Covered up clips hold the jug safely. Each piece is carefully assembled and mount real and accessible in tan, earthy colored and dark on the off chance that you need to coordinate with it to your seat. 1000 Heritage Bike and Skate Helmet. Here's one cup we really need to wear to the bar. Roused by vintage bike head protectors, the popular agreeable 1000 Heritage procured a spot in our 100's Best Products of 2020. It has veggie lover cuffed skin lashes and vents on the top and in the back to keep you cool. The logo in the back flies off to the uncover, a little challenge through which you can run your luck to get the protective cuff. A flexible dial permits you to tweak the fit, and we experience no difficulty protecting the attractive clasp with only one hand. Yet, on the off chance that you will generally set your head protector on the ground, do so vault up with this one. It scratches without any problem. Stay connected. Bovon Bike Phone Mount. You can download quite a few ride-following applications that permit your cell phone to work similar as a cycling PC. They can log information from your knapsack, however, to watch your ride continuously. It tends to be useful to have a handlebar mount for your telephone. The silicone ties on this one offer a little suspension when you go over knocks, permitting the telephone to skip without flying out the holster. Use your GPS sans hands, track your exercise, or settle on a decision while you ride. Best GPS computer. Garmin Edge 530 computer. The Edge 530 is the best bicycle PC we've tried up to this point. Pressing pretty much every navigational and recording highlight you can envision into one conservative, lightweight gadget with great battery life and a sharp screen. One of our #1 new highlights, the Clim Pro can make you aware of impending ascensions and show the amount seriously enduring you have left by distance and pitch. On a pre-transferred course, track your VO2 max, recuperation time, preparing burden hydration and warm acclimation, or simply track how and where you're riding each day. By one way or another, regardless of this comprehensive rundown of preparing and planning highlights, the Edge 530 is still simple and utilized and dependable. Hiplock DX Bicycle U-Lock. This is the lightest, most grounded U-Lock we've tried up until now. It weighs just 3 pounds, contrasted with correspondingly performing choices that are more like 6. What's more, delicacy doesn't diminish its solidarity. We attempted to cut the 14mm solidified steel shackle with a hacksaw, and it took few edge substitutions and over 30 minutes. It likewise has a conveying cut that makes it a lot simpler to append to a belt or rucksack while you're riding. Topic Flash Stand. Topic Flash Stand is a greased-up variant of an old-fashioned stockpiling and fixed stand. Like a transformer, it overlays down just into a little square shape that is not difficult to toss into your satchel. Point when you need it, just unfurl it and roast your bicycle on it for a speedy drivetrain fix or use of lube, or use it to store a bicycle without inclining it against your vehicle or new painted dividers. We like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next, but before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share it with your friends. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting video like this.